Welcome viewers. When emotional manipulation replaces mutual respect, control does not always arrive as a command. Sometimes it arrives as disappointment, silence, guilt, withdrawal. A reaction strong enough to make you reconsider your boundary. At first you call it keeping the peace. You explain more, apologize faster, change the decision, but something deeper begins happening. You start managing her emotional response instead of governing your own convictions. And that's where mutual respect begins disappearing. A man may still believe the relationship is equal while learning that certain boundaries produce emotional consequence. Disagreement brings withdrawal, independence brings accusation, a firm no produces straight out guilt. And eventually your nervous system learns the pattern before you consciously name it. Comply and the tension disappears, stand firm and the tension returns. The narcissistic spinal layer here forms when emotional consequence becomes leverage. Whether deliberate or habitual, the effect is the same. Peace becomes conditional upon compliance. The pattern develops quietly. Disagreement becomes guilt. Guilt becomes surrender. Surrender produces relief. Relief reinforces compliance. Compliance becomes normal. Now, female emotional dominance does not require physical force. Your fear of relational instability begins policing your masculine will to suit her. And that's not mutual respect, it is relational control. Healthy masculine leadership does not mean controlling a woman, nor does healthy partnership require a man surrendering his legacy and agency. Both require truth, boundaries, responsibility, and freedom to disagree without punishment. Write down where another person's emotional reaction repeatedly changes your decisions, then ask, am I choosing freely or complying to stop the pressure? Viewers, better is the man who preserves truth without domination rather than the man who purchases peace through surrender. For genuine love permits disagreement, but manipulation makes compliance the price of stability. If emotional pressure governs your boundaries, your masculine will eventually become conditioned to surrender before the conflict begins. And that's why a man who cannot stand alone will eventually stand for nothing.